What's good, fam? It's your boy Back Session 2018, man. Happy New Year's to everyone out there. What I'm doing today, man, I'm chilling with my brother Connie, man, and we're gonna be working on the transmission on his G35, man. So stay tuned. What's good, fam? I'm back. So what we're gonna do today, man? I'm out here chilling with my brother T, my brother Connie, and my brother Soul. So what we're gonna be working on today is this G35, guys. So I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of what we've been doing. Like I told you guys, we've been doing a lot of things, trying to get a lot of stuff going, a lot of things we've been trying to implement and put together, man. So this is the year for us. And doing everything this year, man, we're going to make sure everything's going good. So this is the car. You guys can see it's already up on jack stands. Transmission fan. Just got through cleaning. Getting that gasket off, guys. You got to work on that gasket, so try not to gouge it or scrape it. We got a few little scrapes and gouges, so we're gonna try to smooth that out as much as possible. But give or take, guys, we was using razor blades, which in some instances is really not too smart, guys. As you guys see all the crud on it, but using razor blades. So then I went and actually got some paint scrapers, which worked out a lot better. So yeah, guys, just be mindful of some of the things that you guys buy when you guys get it and what you're doing. Just be very patient with whatever it is that you guys put together and make it happen, man. So, yeah, we're back, guys. So I'm going to take you underneath the car, let you see what's been removed and the transmission when we get ready to put it in. So what we're doing is getting ready to put it in the memory or the actual transmission ECU. We're putting it back in. So I'm going to show you guys where it's located. ECU right there, guys. And give me 1 second because I just got off work. I just got over here and helped them clean this up. So I'm get up on here so you guys can see the business. This is what we got. That's what we do, guys. 2018 Street Run Edition. So, guys, you see, he getting ready to. He's checking all the bolts so you can see where they go, guys. Checking the actual housing of the gasket. Making sure everything is smooth, making sure there's no debris. Because one thing you guys don't want after you do this, you do not want any leaks, especially out your transmission. And especially when you have a G35, G37, 350Z, or 370Z, any VQ vehicle whatsoever, you don't want any leaks, man. So these engines will run hard. They will last, I can say, pretty much a lifetime because I've owned 3 of them. And I've never had any problems, any issues, and you guys know I got a G35. So I'm also going to show you my brother's G35 with the Rocket Bunny on it. It's a work in progress, but nevertheless, this is what we do, man. We loving this, and the movement is moving forward. So, yeah. So I'm going to get back to what we're doing, guys. I might have to check the quality of the video because the way I'm recording, it's straight on me, but it may be like kind of upside down on my bro, but it may not be. But I'm gonna kind of watch this so you guys can see exactly what we're doing. But anyway, to go to the brain right there, guys, we're getting ready to put this in. There you go. We got light on here so you guys can kind of see it. You can see the connector and everything right there. So yeah, so that's what it's looking like up there. And like I say, he's checking on everything. Now we have to be careful under this vehicle because my brother is a bigger guy than me, and we have the car jacked up fairly high, but not too high because we don't want to, risk it falling down or being unstable on these jack stands. But that's another thing, guys. When you guys are working, make sure you got this jack stand set up right, man. Make sure it's right. It'll save your life. So, give us a rundown, bro, of what you're doing. He's doing an inspection. This is my first transmission job, but he has a lot of experience on this, guys. That's exactly why I'm over here. And I'm proud to have him as a brother running with Street Runners. But he has a lot of experience, and this is my actual first time to actually seeing a transmission open in real life. So kind of what we're doing.
Just checking everything. Checking the housing, checking the surface, making sure everything's flat.
Okay.
Checking all the connectors. Make sure everything's good before I put back the TCU.
Okay. So you heard it, guys. Checking everything and making sure everything is good, man. But yeah, guys, we got a lot of stuff going, man. We got a lot of bros. I mean, like I told you guys, it's about 15 of us or so, and we're out here having fun, man. So this is what we do, man. We're going to keep everything going, and everything is good. So I'll see you guys in a minute when we start installing things so you can actually see what's going on. All right, guys, so we're back, and flip it around so you guys can see Putting it in now. So, about how many bolts holes is in?
12.
12 bolts, and they're 10 millimeter, I think.
Yeah, all 10.
And there's one bolt that's an alignment bolt. I'll show you. I haven't pointed out in a minute.
This corner right here.
Hopefully you guys can see. Yeah, right there. That's where it's at, guys. And it aligns the actual ECU, right?
Yeah.
It aligns it, and then you're able to run the rest of the bolts with no problem, guys. So, yeah. So as you guys can see, we're already getting this DIY going, and we got everything jumping off. So after we put these in, he's gonna explain to me, I guess, how many feet-pound we have to torque it down to, if that really matters or not. And the connector. Now it is a connector, guys, over in that corner over here at the top, the one I showed you with my hand. You would have to stick it in there and connect it. This is one person can do this job because he did it by himself in 2 hours. But if you have somebody, it can go a little quicker, because this is not light. This is fucking pretty heavy. So for one person to be trying to hold this without dropping it and worrying about ripping the connectors, if you're really not that stable, guys, or not that strong, I would really recommend that you have somebody help you so you don't rip those connectors or those wires, because you don't want to mess up anything in here. Remember, this stays completely submerged in transmission fluid. So if that connector is not connected, then you're going to have fluid get into that connector, and then you're going to have issues and codes, and transmission's not going to shift, or other things that can take place. So, yeah, you really want somebody to help you if you don't know what you're doing. But on a scale from 1 to 10, on DIY, you would say this is a what?
Probably like 6 or 7.
6 or 7. So, and that's with help, right?
Yeah, just because it's underneath the car.
Yeah, true. Yeah, guys, it is underneath the car. You don't want anything to follow. So, yeah, guys, I'm going to get back at you in a minute. We're going to make sure all this is tightened up. And, yeah, get some more footage. See you in a minute. Alright, guys, so he's just got through buttoning them up. Let me put them in so you guys can see now. So he's already changed the filter, so everything is pretty good. So he's just double checking, make sure everything goes good and planned. Checking the connectors and the wires. Guys, definitely check your clearance, guys. Check your clearance. Rule of thumb, guys, if you can. Sorry, guys, I had you guys upside down. Rule of thumb, if you guys can, always see if you guys can take the bolt out and put it back in the same area. It'd be kind of good to kind of mark them, because what we noticed, or what he showed me, was some of them are longer and some of them are shorter. So when we was on break, guys, he was trying to figure out what was what, just to make sure it was no issues. And some of them have these little connectors right here that'll hold the harness, the wire, secure. Yeah, guys.
Everything's quite good. Just put everything back up, put the pan back in.
So we gotta clean the pan out first.
Yeah.
Alright, guys, so we definitely gotta clean the pan out. You guys seen when I was showing you how we was cleaning and scraping everything and everything. So what we're gonna do now is go ahead and clean it and then try to button it up. But we're gonna double check, triple check with the transmission, make sure all your connections are good, make sure your bolts are down, make sure your wires together, make sure the clearance is great. Make sure there's no debris. I mean, I'm stressing that, guys. Make sure there's no debris, because you don't want a transmission leak. So we'll see you in a minute when we get ready to install the pan. Alright, guys, back. So everything is in. Forgive me, guys, my hand. But everything is in. Everything has already been buttoned up, and the transmission looks wonderful. So what we're gonna do now, guys, is go ahead and clean up the pan. And after we clean up the pan, guys, we're gonna go ahead and start putting everything back in. So yeah, it looks good. Looks real good. So yeah, guys, let's go ahead and get out here. Guys, get on to cleaning this pan up. Then we'll be trying to button it up and get it going. But yeah, guys, this is the guy right here with the master plan right here, man. This is the one that make YouTube what it is, dog. That's him right there, man. So yeah, guys, we out making it happen. Beamer. We enjoying life. So yeah, guys, let's go ahead and get back to this and get back with you guys. Keep getting this DIYs, I promise. Alright, fam, we back. Get out of here, turd. So check these guys out. That's my girl over there. See her? Crazy. But hey, we back, guys. So this is the pan. We've already cleaned everything up.
Don't put me on there.
Oh, it's too late. Tell the guy she's official. She's on. Oh, you on YouTube? It's official.
You just gotta get a look.
Alright, bam. It's official. Bam. Yeah. So check this out, guys. Everything has been set back, and we do have the gasket now. I'll put the gasket on now. Now it's easy to put this back on now, because guys, if you look right here, you have the holes. It's gonna be on this corner, and it's gonna be on that corner. So, not being funny, guys, but it's pretty self-explanatory. When you put it on there, it'll line up, because it's only gonna go on one way and one way only. So I'm figuring down the hill with my brother Connie, and we're gonna slide it up there and show you guys how it's operating. I say, guys, safety first. Safety first.
Oh no, I said I was trying to see how they doing it.
Alright, guys, so back up on the hill, we're making it happen. Oh. Yeah. And my brother Angel just arrived, guys, so he's putting the starter bolt in, guys, to line it up, because you got to be pretty easy with putting it, because it's kind of flimsy. But you guys already know, once you put it on there, once the transmission heats up to proper warming temperature, it'll seal, so we'll be good. So guys, give me a second, guys. Let me wipe this fuzz off the lens. Alright, guys, there we go. We're back. So basically just put them in, and then when you slide it up, guys, here just hand twist them. Be a lot easier. Is it all the way over there on that side?
Yeah, it's on this side.
Well, then rotate it around. No, look. There's two of them. There's two of these holes. Let's see something. Is this a universal? Give me a second, guys. Alright, guys, give us 1 second to check this gasket to make sure we're putting it on the correct way.